week I'm revisiting the Kia Carnival. This is a 2019 model and it is packed full of family-friendly features. Let's go and have a look at them. Number one are these sliding doors. They make accessing these rear seats really simple and installing children and child seats. Also, you can open and close them just with the buttons on the doors, the buttons in the ceiling or from the key fob. Number two is the improved camera system. It's got a much better image quality. It's also got this really good bird's eye view and you can change the camera angle too. Number three is the Carnival has heated and cooled seats in both the front seats and it has a heated steering wheel as well. Number four is I can move this front passenger seat just using the buttons on the side of it. This is a feature normally found in much more expensive vehicles. It's really nice to have it in here and really practical for distributing legroom across the passengers. Number five is there's window blinds on all four rear windows, which is fantastic. Even these little tiny ones in the third row. Number six is there's aircon vents in the ceiling in all three rows, which is really needed in the back there. There's also controls in the second row here, as well as there being controls in the front for the driver to use for all three rows, and you can even lock the aircon from there too. Number seven is the media system in the Carnival. It's really lovely and simple to use and to navigate, and it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. Number eight is this fantastic conversation mirror. It's great for keeping an eye on all those rear passengers, and it's got extendable visors too. Number nine is storage in the Carnival is fantastic. In the front here, there's just so much of it. There's an enormous central console box that's felt lined with a glasses case in the top of it. There's storage on the side of the central console box. There's cup holders, there's phone trays, there's two glove boxes. And the door bins are enormous, and if that's not big enough, there's a second little door bin above it too. And there's storage in both the rear rows too. They've really thought of everything. Number 10 is there is so much space back here. It's got four top tether anchorages, it's got three lots of Isofix, and we could easily install 4 child seats and seat 2 other passengers. We also found that we could fit 3 passengers down one side of the car and 2 paddleboards and even a dinghy in here. It's the ultimate mum fun bus.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.